didn't directly ask you because of the book. Good morning, and welcome to the craziness of Turimetta Beach. We just had a bit of a walk along from the beach here. You can actually walk along to the headland at the northern end of the beach in a low tide, and there's some really nice shots to be had up there. We just had a walk up there, and whilst you could actually access it right now, you probably can't see it right now, but there's something like a 2-meter swell on, which, although it's a low tide, the waves are actually washing right across the platform. So it's just not conducive to a great shot or to a dry photographer, I guess. So it's all about safety, and it's all about just getting the right shot at the right time. So what I've done is I've just admitted a hasty retreat, and I've come back along to this really nice rocky section. I've always loved this area of Turimetta, and what I've found here is this amazing rock right in front of me, which is probably just off camera right now. Amazing rock. We got some drama in the sky because we got some heavy clouds you can see all around. We've got some huge waves coming in here, and I'm shooting a 30-second exposure. Now what I've done is there's quite a big rock right in front of me here, and I've set the camera just slightly above it so the rock doesn't break the horizon, because I just always feel it's a better image if it doesn't break it, so you have a clean horizon. So anyway, let's get that 30-second shot in the bag and have a look at it. Okay, so still perched on my rock at Turimetta here. I'm just still focused on this big rock here. I actually quite like the sky today. It's quite dramatic. There's not much colour in it, but there's a lot of texture in the sky. So actually a little bit of colour now that the sun's just appeared. I'm still waiting on this a decent sized wave to come through right in front of me, so we can get a little bit more foam. So we'll do this one. I'm at 0.6 seconds now, which is where I want to be. I'm being bombed by a seagull. I'm at I think we'll do f6.3 for this, because when the wave comes in and you have that white foam in the shot, it's better to underexpose a little, because that white foam is going to brighten up the whole scene, so you'll end up with a fairly balanced shot. I've got a medium edge grad in right now, and I'm just waiting for a wave. So let's see if we can get this wave and get a shot. Once it's in the bag, I'll put it up, see what you think. Hi again. So just moved along the beach just slightly, and found these just absolutely gorgeous sort of moss covered green rocks here. Gotta love some green rocks. We've got a little bit of colour in the sky now, which is quite nice. And what I'm doing is I'm hoping that we might get a wave to come in far enough just to wash over maybe the front of these rocks. Right now I'm at a 0.6 of a second. I'm at f5, which may be a little bit underexposed. So now I'm at we'll leave it on f5. So let's see if we can get a wave to come in, wash over these rocks, and try and get some nice flow over them. Looks like we've picked up a model for the morning. He's decided to come and pose on a rock for me. So let's see if we can get a shot of him. Oops. Anyway, let's see if that shot came out. So here's our last shot of the day. We want to do a vertical shot. We want to try and get some nice movement. Nice movement in waves. We had waves just come in, crash over that rock for us. Here we go. This is what we want. Some nice flow of some waves coming in here. lovely green rocks, bit of a dramatic sky. Turimetta Beach just never disappoints. Okay, let's check that one out. Well, that's it again for another day in Turimetta Beach this time. Turimetta is just sensational. I think last time we did a video from here, it was down this end of the beach, which is the south end, of course. Lots of rock ledges, lots of greenery, lots of great things to shoot down there. This week we've come up to the north end of the beach, and it's just amazing. I just love it here. It's probably one of the most photogenic beaches in all of Sydney. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the shots. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that stuff. We are now off for coffee. So have a great week. See you in the next one. Bye now.